Morning, everyone. Welcome to the briefing for Monday, the 4th of December. Well, unfortunately, looking at the chart today, we've got low pressure directly over the top of us. Well, in fact, slightly to the south of us. You can see lots of associated inclusions around it, a couple of waving fronts out here to the northwest. But in general, lots and lots of humidity, bringing with it just rain, drizzle, low cloud and fog. Moving further ahead, as we go into tonight, it moves across to the east and into tomorrow, potentially slightly more settled picture, provided we get a nice gap in between here and the air dries out a little bit. And hopefully a similar picture on Wednesday. We've actually got high pressure building here, just about holding off these low pressure systems by the looks of it for Wednesday. But moving into Thursday, much more unsettled weather on its way as this low pressure system moves in. Winds today, given we're quite near the centre of the low pressure, actually quite light here. It's showing from the north at 5 knots, but if you move out to the west a little bit, you see here it's showing 45 knots at flying height, and variable around the country. And on the sat pic, you can see that low pressure swirling away. And you can see there's loads of cloud associated and no real clearance in sight. Again, on the rain radar, you can see that rotation. Looking at it, we're actually in a relatively clear area. We have got drizzle here, but no heavy rain as such. And looking at the forecast, that's generally the trend for the day. I don't think we're going to get any heavy rain here. But you can see it's pretty wet around us, and it's going to be just drizzle and fog all day by the looks of it. Public forecast then, not very optimistic. Showers this morning, then drizzle most of the day with a little bit of fog mid-afternoon. Quite a light wind, slightly increasing into the very late evening. Otherwise, very poor visibility and humidity at between 99 and 100%. So suggesting the cloud's going to be right the way down to the ground. Dew points, temperatures 8 or 9 degrees with dew points quite close to that, about 7 degrees. It's actually a bigger split than I expected. That's at midday. And that's the current view outside. Currently 7 degrees at Lasham, dew points 5.5. And let's refresh that. Odium's latest, overcast at 400 feet, light drizzle, and the forecast, well, quite a long one, not much different to that basically. Farnborough, much the same, broken at 400. Top meteo, it's 9 AM as we go throughout the day. You see low cloud, fog, and really no chance for clearance. There's not many days you could look at in the morning and say it's definitely going to be unflyable all day, but today looks like one of them. No towns if we did go flying. And a couple of jet movements today. An A319 arriving at 12:38. That's very specific because it's coming from Gatwick and departing at 12:30. Chances are, looking at the forecast, they won't get in. EasyJet required to be able to see the airfield from about 2,000 feet, which I think is pretty much impossible today. So if they don't cancel it, then you'll probably hear an Airbus doing a couple of missed approaches over the top of the airfield. Otherwise, we've got a 737 departing at 11:30. Obviously, no flying today, but simulator serviceable, and we can, of course, do bronze tests if anyone wants to come along, make a little bit of progress. Okay, hopefully I'll see you on the airfield another day. Bye for now.